Hello guys, thanks for stopping by. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you guys how to freelance successfully on Upwork in 2023 and how to earn more using the freelancing platform called Upwork. So the first thing is to look straight to my screen. Looking at my screen, I'm on the profile of the Upwork account I'm managing for the past few months ago, and as you can see, this is the main point of me making this video. As you can see, total earnings and earnings on this freelancing account. So that's the tips I want to give you is how I earn this and how you can also earn more than I do. So the first thing I am rendering on this service, on this account, is expert digital marketer, expert YouTube channel promoter. So basically, I promote YouTube channels for people, and so far so good. I've been able to get it up to this extent. And I'm having about 2 reviews on my account right now. As you can see, everything is totally legit. This is real. This is a profile that I am managing myself. As you can see, he did a great job. That's the first comment. And as you can see, the second comment from a client I worked with, that was last year, September. As you can see, the date is there. Amazing work with the brand name I'm using, which is this. So that I blurred that because of okay, no worries, I'm going to blur it now. So looking at that section, this is my section for portfolio. So guys, I added enough portfolio to explain everything I'm doing. This is a Facebook ads campaign management portfolio. This is Google SEO portfolio. So the things you should consider in setting up a professional Upwork account is: one, you must have a very good portfolio of what you do. Actually, I have a project catalog of Twitter promotion. That's why I have a portfolio for Twitter promotion, Facebook marketing, Twitch stream promotion, a lot of things. As you can see, skills. These are what I do on this account. Everything I'm doing on this account is here, and the next section is whereby you see all the project catalog I created that are currently active on Upwork. If you have not checked my previous okay, by the end of this video, don't worry, by the end of this video, you're going to see a video displayed on top, just this section on top like this. I will do the same thing by the end of the video. So that video, you're going to click on it to learn how to create a professional Upwork project catalog. The one I created in that video was this specific project catalog, and it is live, is active right now, active for any buyers to click on it and purchase. As you can see, I designed everything and I set up everything in the video above. Do check out the video above by the end of the video. So these are all my catalogs. Then the next thing, I sent testimonial requests to my clients, and the next thing is I'm digital marketing pro here, and these are other experience I have, expert Facebook marketer. So basically, looking at my profile is outstanding and is good enough to show that I'm a professional in what I do, and as well as I have reviews now. And the next section to go to now is, okay, now we see how to set up a profile. Okay, so the next thing is, how can we send a converting proposal? So before I go to that section, I want to show you the section of my messages. The section of my messages right here. So my messages, I have so many messages that get converted through sending of proposal. So the reason why I want to show you this section is for you to see, as you can see, I get a lot of messages via this section. So do you see this, guys? There are a lot of messages I get here. This project was based on Twitter marketing, and this project was based on Facebook group. So the main thing of everything I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to show you that I get so many messages by sending proposals. So I hope you get it. So the next thing I'm going to click on is find work. So this find work is where the main thing is, and the pain point and the pain part of being a freelancer on Upwork is constantly scouting for projects. Like, let's say, constantly seeking for projects. I hope you understand. So basically, there's high competition here on Upwork, and the basic and the fast way for you to earn on Upwork is the first thing. You have to think deep before responding to a proposal, and you must be a person that can think vigorously. I mean, fast, very very fast. Because, for example, this is a project, this is a proposal here. As you can see, 10 minutes ago, within just 10 minutes ago, this person will have purchased its service, or the person is interviewing someone currently. So if you want to get this specific buyer right here that sent this proposal out there for sellers to respond to it, as you can see, I just said it just now. So within 10 minutes, take note, I showed you earlier, within 10 minutes, there's 9 invites sent, there's 9 proposals, there's 9 proposals sent by sellers. As you can see, there's 9 proposals sent by sellers, and only one person is already interviewed. Like, one person is currently being interviewed, and the probability of the person is going to get the job is very high. So the main point here is, as you can see, 9 people sent an offer to the buyer, but the buyer picked only one person. That is exactly what they do. The number one thing is, firstly, build a very good profile. Secondly, make sure your content stand out. And thirdly, add call to actions to your content, like to proceed more with this project, kindly contact me now. And you can also add something related to speak to you soon, because those words let the buyers know you really want to work with them, and you are aiming to build a good reputation with them. So and you could also say something related to try us now and get the best service, and you definitely keep coming back. So if someone sees that kind of a thing, the person might actually want to consider you, or consider someone that have a very very good profile. For example, like a top rated seller on Upwork, they enjoy this section so much because of why. Firstly, every client want to work with a very 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 good seller, which a top rated is qualified enough for, because top rated will be having over 100 reviews on their accounts. And getting to the top rated, you must have earned over $10,000 of freelancing. So you see, people trust that easily. So basically, currently my account hasn't get to that stage yet, but the stage it is right now, I'm still getting jobs because of why. Firstly, my profile, which I showed you earlier, and my content, the way I send proposal, I make it, and that's another thing. Make your content short and brief. Basically, some proposal need so many details to add. For example, just like this, you could just write the content that is not as much as this and send it to this client, and the client will actually contact you immediately after checking it. Once they see the proposal and they are interested in the way you wrote your content, and they check your profile out that everything is good, then they will message you. For messaging you are going to negotiate, and after negotiating, they're going to purchase your service. They are going to hire you on Upwork. So there's another tip I want to give out in this video. If you see a proposal that is showing payment unverified, I will do recommend do not send proposal to any of these entities, because firstly, they don't eventually buy your service, they just waste your time and they waste your connect. So as you know, connect is used to send proposal on Upwork, and you get 10 connects, 10 free connects every brand new month. So if you are very very new to Upwork right now, if you are just opening your Upwork account, you automatically get 50 connects. So after you get this connect, don't do much, don't send any proposal yet. The basic thing I would advise you to do is take your time on setting up a very very good profile, because I must tell you, before any buyer hires me, they read my profile. How do I know? They will tell me they saw some things in my profile. That is what makes them to come to me. That is telling me one thing, that every buyer on Upwork here, they are ready to take their time to read what you write in your profile description, everything, before they message you or before they hire you. I have seen some messages that did not convert, because I actually do that stuff Like for example, I do Twitter marketing. I did not add it before in my profile section, in my profile skills, but now I have added because I made a mistake that time when I was starting this account. I didn't add the section of what I know, my professionalism. I didn't add it there. So everything you do, let them be on your profile. Just don't say I'm a graphic designer and the graphic design section is not on your profile. It's wrong. If you want to do a brand logo, anything you want to specify in, even if it is course creation, if it is voiceover, anything, any service out there, if it is YouTube marketer just like me, or digital marketer or social media marketing, anything you want to specialize on Upwork, pretty please take these tips, specialize your profile on just one thing. And Upwork makes it very good for all the freelancers that work on it to create a specialized profile. What do I mean by specialized profile is, for example, I'm going to show you shortly. Specialized profile is a profile that is different from your general profile. On my specialized profile, I have specialized profile. One is specialized on SEO, one is specialized on social media marketing. I will show you shortly, guys. So, why do I do that is, once my profile is ranked, is searched, for example, social media marketing, my profile will also show there in that same search tag of social media marketing, as well as my profile will show on SEO whenever someone searches for SEO expert. And okay, 1 minute, guys. So I'm going to click on profile. So just wait for that. So once a buyer search for experts in SEO, they're going to see my profile as well on first page, because now I'm on first page because I have 2 reviews now on my profile, and it helps me to rank higher. So it helps me to rank higher, it helps me to gain more trust from Upwork clients, and as well it helps me to earn more. Gradually, I keep increasing my earnings every month. So, and the basic thing here is all these things you are seeing here, once you start it, is self-explanatory, but you have to take your time to write everything you want to do on your profile. So as I said it earlier, guys, I said I created 2 specialized profiles. Please, if you're following up, then you understand what I'm saying. If you have not followed up or you skipped a part of this video, please go back for you to understand what I'm saying right now. Please do watch this video to the end. So this is my special, as you can see, this is my general profile where you can see all work. This is expert digital marketer, expert YouTube channel promoter. That's what I do on my all work. Then the second specialized profile I told you earlier, SEO. So once I click on SEO, you see it's changed automatically to expert digital marketer, expert Shopify store SEO, as you can see. And the earnings you're showing here is different because of the job I got from this section is just 2. As you can see, all stats, that's the all total amount I have. So I'm going to click on social media marketing. This is the second specialized profile I did. So expert social media marketer, expert TikTok ads manager. So on this specialized profile, there are different profile descriptions in each and every one of them based on this title I wrote here. So the first thing is, whatever you're going to write in your description, let it correlate with your title. And in SEO, everything about the description of the SEO is talking about SEO. As you can see, SEO, Shopify SEO works on it. Shopify store SEO complex, and only a few know the real game. Okay, fortunately, you have found one of the best in the game. And when it comes to e-commerce and Shopify store dropshipping, as you can see, why you should hire me. You see, these are call to actions that catch the eyes of the clients, and they will message you automatically immediately. As you can see, why should you hire me? So I want you to take note of all these call to actions that you're going to use in your profile description, because your profile matters a lot. I have seen a friend of mine, we created the account the same day. He got rising talent. If he's watching this video, he's gonna smile because I deliberately mentioned him in this video. So what makes him to get rising talent is he took his time even more than I do to set up his profile. He set up just one profile, but it took so much time and it got qualified for every qualification or